something which I have been doing since my childhood, just to be good in other people's eye. For example, in front of my family, relatives, sister, brother, so many things. Just to make your image good in other people's eyes, you keep doing on that things. The thing which you internally don't want to do, the thing which makes you feel burnout, or the things which doesn't make any sense. It just wastes your time, but still you choose to do that thing. You know why? Because you don't want to be a bad daughter or a bad sister. Because if you are keep doing that thing, you are a good daughter, and they will appreciate you a lot, but that appreciation doesn't make you feel good. You know what? Some days you did that thing and it didn't affects you a lot, but on the days when there is sunny, you don't want to go outside, or on the days when you don't feel like good, on the days when there is a low phase, you don't want to do anything, but you still continues doing that thing. After a point of time, you don't have choice to say no also. You have to do with that thing, because you have prepared your mindset also like that. If you will said no, it's not a good daughter's trait to say no. So you keep saying yes and doing it, but internally that thing is hurting you a lot, making you frustrated, making you feel burnout. You don't have time for your own self, but you still choose to do that thing just because it's their work and you are responsible for that work to be completed, to be done. So you still choose to do this. This thing internally make you very frustrated, very stressed, and it is not going to help you in the long run. So I decided to say no to the task which I really don't want to. Completely say no. If it makes me a bad daughter, it's okay. If it's make me a bad person, then also it's okay. Because I know my parents used to adjust to this thing that she's saying no. And I also need to rewire my brain, my mindset, because my mindset is prepared like that only. That I can't say no to my own family. I can't say because it's my responsibility to fulfill that thing. But you have to say no. Try, learn saying no. It will make you a happy person from inside. If you are happy inside, you will spread positivity in this world. This world needs a lot of positivity. Every person is struggling with their own set of insecurities, responsibilities, and so many things. You have no idea what people are going through. So be kind with them, be kind with yourself, and try to say no and learn saying no. It doesn't make you any bad person, if that helps you to make a good and a happy and a loving and a caring person. Okay, thank you. Right now I am very frustrated because I am fulfilling that responsibility right now which I am saying you to not do. Maybe in future, no, if I am saying anything to you, I also have to follow me. I will delegate this responsibility to someone else. Maybe I will pay them, but I will not keep doing this thing anymore. Okay, bye.